This is the new iPhone 14. Let's unbox it. What's up, YouTube? It's BMac. And if you like videos about tech reviews, product unboxings, or filmmaking and photography tutorials, don't forget to smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. So yes, indeed, I do have with me here the purple color iPhone 14. But before we go any further, I need to give a huge thank you and shout out to Apple for actually sending over this iPhone 14 for me to check out. And with that having been said, new iPhone, gotta unbox it. Quick look at the box, you can see what the iPhone 14 looks like on the outside, the front specifically right there. You have iPhone glistening on one side, iPhone glistening on the other side, Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom, and of course more model information, IMEI, serial number information, all that good stuff on the back. But we care about what's in the box, not so much what's on the box, so it is time. The unboxing of the iPhone 14. 1, 2, and now for the fun part. We shall flip the box over. Deep breath, here we go. There it is! The purple color iPhone 14. And that is a nice purple color. But before we get ahead of ourselves here, we shall see what else comes in the box. Closer look at that in just a second. You will see underneath the iPhone itself, you have your little packet of information here, designed by Apple in California. And inside this, you're gonna notice a couple things. First, we're noticing our alert now to actually let us know, saying that you no longer need a physical SIM card because the iPhone 14 now, moving forward, is going to be eSIM only. Also underneath that, you do have your safety and handling, and of course your battery and charging, perhaps some warranty information, complete, finally, with your Apple sticker. Apple sticker will stay. The reading, we'll save that for later. And then also in the box, last but certainly not least, you will see your USB-C to Lightning cable. This is just your typical 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cable. And that is quite literally all that comes in the box. So let's carefully move everything else off to the side. Focus on the star of the show here. Woo! So quick look at the outside of the phone. You'll see this nice pastelish, is pastelish a word? Pastel purple color that we have going on here in the back. Look at the way she glistens. Complete, of course, with your aluminum matte finish siding. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the matte finish siding that you get in the iPhone 14. I know it's shiny and pretty on the Pro version of the iPhone, but if we could have some matte options on the Pro in the future, I would not be opposed. But anyway, back to the iPhone 14 here. So that's the color combination you're looking at here. We do indeed have some cellophane to uncellophane. It's not really cellophane anymore, it's more of a paper, but probably the moment you've been waiting for, the uncellophaning / unpapering of the iPhone 14. Love it. I live all year for that moment right there. And there is your complete look at what the purple color iPhone 14 looks like. I have a feeling this is going to be a very popular color this year, simply because of how it's a subdued but noticeable purple color. So it's not like too neon in your face, purplish, but we shall turn it over and we shall turn it on. The iPhone 14 turned on for the very first time. Now, of course, per usual, I'm just gonna snap my fingers and have the setup be all done for you. No waiting. It's done. The iPhone 14 being turned on and used for the first time. There's your first look at the iPhone 14 in the purple color. Groovy. And of course, if you want to make sure that you catch that review video on the iPhone 14 when it drops, do not forget to make sure that you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you don't miss that video. when it drops. And if you guys are interested in learning more about the iPhone 14 or just to snag one of these babies for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone 14, or of course there will always be a clickable link in the video description box below as well. But that is your unboxing of the iPhone 14. I have to put this baby to the test against the Pro. I also have to stop accidentally turning on the flashlight. I will see you guys in my next video. You know, purple's not usually my thing, but I kind of like this pastel purple. Pastel purple, baby. I think it suits me.